I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Connect your desktop GPU to the TV using HDMI or an appropriate active adapter if needed. Make sure to plug into the TV's HDMI port labeled HDMI 1 or ARC when available, because that determines audio routing. Once done, update GPU drivers and set desktop resolution to match the TV's native resolution and refresh rate. This avoids scaling artifacts. Do this now so that later configuration steps proceed smoothly without hardware surprises or missing audio channels. You should now configure the display mode and audio so the TV behaves like a proper screen. In your operating system, display settings choose Duplicate to Mirror or Extend to use the TV as a second monitor. Pick the TV and set its resolution and refresh rate to match the panel. Enable 4K/60 Hz or HDR only if your cable and GPU support it. Then open Sound Settings and switch the default output to the TV or AVR. This ensures video and audio arrive together without delays or muted sound. You finish by optimizing playback and knowing a quick fix. Tweak scaling and color profile so text and apps are readable at distance. Enable HDR tone mapping only if colors look correct. For video apps, enable hardware acceleration and bitstream pass-through for surround audio to avoid CPU overload. If the TV shows no signal, start with the obvious. Confirm the correct HDMI input, receipt cables. Try a different HDMI port or cable, and power cycle both TV and desktop. These steps solve most connectivity issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.